Hello guys, it's Sunday morning and I'm out here at San Clemente at T Street Beach going surfing. You can see from my background, it's a pretty nice day to surf. It's not too crowded, and it's just so nice and so peaceful out here. You can see that there's the pier and it's pretty spacious, so I'm excited to go surfing. Oh, that deep. So I just got wiped out, as you can see. Probably the most excitement I had all morning. I haven't caught a wave yet. Is because I'm probably on the wrong side of things. So we're near the pier, you can see over there, but I gotta head over here more. So the reason that I'm filming is so that I can document my growth and improvement. I don't know how much I've improved over the last few weeks, but I think I feel more confident now and less afraid of the waves. Sometimes there's a little bit of fear. There's probably less fear now. Just I need to improve a little bit on reading when to swim, when to paddle, which waves to dive under and which waves to try to go over, because I just keep getting wiped out when I try to go over. So maybe a little more duck dives, which means flipping your board over and going under the wave is what I gotta do. Did your action shot? I let it go, but I'll never go with it. Yeah, okay, cool as fall weather. Fuck the bullshit, I'm here to make it all better with a little music for you. I don't do enough for you without you. It's the color blue. Oh, don't trip. I was in the city, they was talking that shit. Had the homies with me, all of a sudden they split. We ain't even worried, we just laughing, that's rich. We know how it goes, it ain't broke, no fix. Alright, this was fun. Where to start? So, kind of caught one today. It's kind of tired now, so I think we're gonna call this a wrap, right, Jess? Yeah, it's about 10:30, and we surfed about 2 hours, so it's time to get some food at home or something. This is fun. I'd highly recommend T Street Beach. If you get a chance to go surfing, this is a place to do it. There's less people. The waves are nice. You don't get pushed to the pier that much, and it's ample parking. So I'm always a big fan when parking is available and it's free at some places. So until next time, guys.